Hi, Paul's done an amazing amount of work on the railway from Hatfield over the summer. It's now in our garage and he's completely restored it, rebuilt it, rewired it, put a new controller in so that it actually works better. And today he got delivery of a wonderful 3-rail engine, an LMS engine that he bought on eBay on Saturday. And today's Monday and it's arrived in the mail this morning. And so he's been running it, and I thought you'd like to see some of the pictures that I took this evening of the train running. Here we go.
It's quite a bit larger than the other engines as well. Yes. Really nice engine. I love the painting on it. I think it's been beautifully painted.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
I think you've got quite a lot of shots of it going through that station without the tunnel banner.